In the midst of all the holiday traveling and celebrating, preparing holiday meals can take away from the holiday cheer and add stress to the season. We here at Morning Rush are here to keep the holiday spirit bright with some simple, easy-to-make dishes for the holidays. Easier said than done. And to help us is Ashton Keefe, a nationally recognized chef and culinary stylist. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me.
I've got to say, this looks pretty delicious. I don't even know where to start, so let's go ahead and begin with the appetizer. What you got going on here?
So I have 3 cooking tips and 3 wine pairings for you today. And so we have appetizers here, cheese board. Everybody loves a big cheese board, but I actually want you to simplify it. So instead of having this massive cheese board that you end up throwing out, I have tips for 3 cheeses, something salty, something sweet, and something crunchy. So just simplify the whole thing.
All right, so which one's which here?
So we've got blue, brie, and a cheddar. And then we've got some crackers and some grapes and some olives. And with this, I'm pairing. This is the Han Appellation Series Chardonnay. And this is a $20 bottle. I chose wines today that all were family owned and operated. And so this is the Chardonnay for people who like Chardonnay but don't want like the overly oaky butteriness. It's got tropical fruits, nice acid, and it's really great for the holidays.
Let's do this.
Yeah,
I'm
cheers.
on board already.
So that's our appetizers. Really delicious, really easy. Just set it and forget it.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move us to the main course here.
Yes.
What we got? This looks like a pretty raw steak.
It is a pretty raw steak. This is a beef tenderloin.
I swear we had an oven. I swear. If we had an oven, this would have cooked. But...
Right? This is a beef tenderloin. Most people are very intimidated by cooking beef tenderloin. It's expensive. They don't want to mess it up. So this is my tried and true tip. You stick some herbs right underneath this, and then you put a beef tenderloin right on top, and you're going to cook it low and slow. So it's going to go in a 300-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes, and you've got perfect medium rare.
Why the herbs? What's the trick behind that?
They're going to infuse a little bit of flavor without having to do anything. You're not chopping anything or cutting anything, which is like on the holidays the last thing that you want to do. So you just stick them underneath, and the flavor will kind of infuse into the beef, and you won't have to do any work.
Do you put anything on top of that?
So you can do a little bit of olive oil. You can do a little bit of salt and pepper. Again, that's all you need because beef tenderloin is such a tender, flavorful cut of meat. You don't have to worry about it.
And what pairs well? Does it matter which wine?
Of course. I've already got it for you. This is, again, the Han Appellation Series Pinot Noir. So Pinot Noir is a great, I like to put it in the middle because it goes with both the appetizer and dessert. You can drink it the whole time. Cherries, acid, really delicious with your beef.
You don't need to convince me. Let's cheers again right now.
So this is the $25 bottle. Again, family owned, run, and operated, so it's perfect for the holidays. Really delicious.
Coincidentally, one of my favorite wines.
I did not know that.
It's not just a free advertisement for Han Winery. It actually is one of my favorite wines.
Yeah.
Let's move this thing along, okay?
Yes, let's do it.
All right, so after the main course there, we switch over to this dessert. This looks really good. And is that whipped cream on top? What are we doing here?
So it's a whipped cream topping. We've got a trifle. So this is a no-bake dessert. We've got some pound cake. We've got a little bit of jam. We've got some fruit. We've got some chocolate shavings. And this is a great way to end the meal. You don't have to cook anything. And I'm serving this with the Luigi Basca. This is a Malbec from Argentina. And I'm going to show you, this is my favorite gift of the holiday time. This is a Coravin Timeless 6 Gemstone Collection. We're going to watch this. This is the wine by the glass system. You just go like this to this unopened bottle.
I gotta see this.
Look at this.
Let's zoom in on this.
Look how cool this is. So you can have, say you want to have a Malbec, say somebody else wants to have a Chardonnay, you don't have to open the bottle, and the bottle will last. It releases a little bit of argon gas.
Well, that just sounds cool, too.
Right?
So.
And then the bottle will last for years, and it's 50% off. It's my absolute favorite thing for entertaining. People who are winos and foodies will love this.
Oh, it looks cool, too. All right.
Yeah.
We're just going to drink away here, folks. Happy holidays to you. Very good. All 3 of them really good. Does it matter as far as the pairings go?
Yeah.
Were you specific with that, with the dessert, with the main course, with the appetizers?
So I always like to do white with opening a party because it's going to keep your taste buds really awake and alive. Tons of acid, so it kind of wakes them up and kind of makes your mouth salivate. And then I think Pinot is just like a really evergreen wine for like for drinking the whole time. And then this is like a little richer, and this is the glass that like you pour as your last glass and you go sit by the fire and you kind of relax and you don't have to worry about eating anything, and it's kind of like, this could be dessert in the glass. It's
like a multi-step process.
Yeah.
Different wines. And you encourage switching it up as you go throughout your meal?
I mean, like my mother will drink Chardonnay until she's blue in the face because that's the only thing she likes to drink. But
blue in the face or in the stomach, one of the two.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
This was great. Thank you so much for all these tips.
Yeah, absolutely.
Happy
And
holidays
please
to you.
take
Oh,
these.
these are staying here. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
We-
everything's staying here.
We're not moving any of this. Alex and Rob are, yeah, they're gonna want some of this.
Oh, good. Awesome.
Ashton Keefe, thanks so much for your time.
Nice to meet
Good to meet
you.
you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
so much for doing
Thank
this for us.
you.
Thank you.
Absolutely.